Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to another video which is going to help you look elevated and help you style yourself better. Now, I have heard one of the most common things that I cannot wear shorts because I have big thighs. Not just because you have got big thighs, I don't want you to fall in the trap कि मैं shorts पहनूंगी ही नहीं. और I have also seen women wearing all the wrong shorts. तो पहले तो हम गलत shorts पहनते हैं, फिर अपनी thighs को blame करते हैं. So let's stop blaming our body and just figure out कि हम क्या पहन सकते हैं ताकि हम more confident feel करें. So सबसे पहले अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि एम्ब्रेसिंग आवर बॉडी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक हम खुद से कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं करेंगे, हम कुछ भी पहन लें, हम कभी अच्छे लग नहीं पाएंगे. बट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि वी आर इनसिक्योर अबाउट सम ऑफ आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड टिल द टाइम वी डू नॉट फील वेरी सिक्योर अबाउट इट, इट्स ओके टू फाइंड द काइंड ऑफ क्लोथिंग्स विच आर गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर अस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मी, आई हैव थिकर थाइज और शुरू से ही सबने बहुत कॉन्शियस किया है कि हैवी थाइज है, शॉर्ट्स मत पहनो, और ये बातें कहीं ना कहीं गेट स्टक इन आवर माइंड एंड वी आर नेवर एबल टू गो बैक. सो आई विल टेल यू द फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, start embracing your body. And जब तक we are not completely there, let's start dressing up for the insecure body parts so that we feel more confident. So let's go and start that what mistakes are we making while wearing shorts which are not making us feel confident, and what we can do instead, and what options do we have for all the girls who have thicker thighs. So more power to you, and let's go. Now if you're someone like me with thicker thighs and you're wearing shorts like these, this is the main reason that you're feeling uncomfortable. Now possibly the reason that you're not liking yourself in shorts is because the hem or the opening of the shorts is too fitted. जब भी हम कुछ ऐसा पहनते हैं जो हमारे biggest part पे एकदम snug करता है, it makes it look more bigger. Hence you are not liking your shorts because the biggest part of your thigh is being highlighted. Now let's go on and give you solutions for this. So this is your first option. In the previous shot where I was wearing the white shorts, they were snugging me right at the thighs. तो उससे हो क्या रहा था that my thighs were looking bigger. Now these shorts are called the wide leg shorts with little elastic. Now these shorts have wider hemlines, that these are making my legs and thighs look comparatively smaller. Also, because we have thick thighs, the problem could be that we feel uncomfortable when something sticks to it. So the best way for you to wear your shorts is find yourself a easy breezy short which has wider hemline and a little elastic. So these are your option number one. Option number two, the A-line shorts. These shorts are absolutely comfortable and this is what dreams are made of if you're conscious about your thighs. I would love to pair them with a little blazer so that it adds more oomph and creates a layering for you. So the moment you add a little layer, and which is equal to your shorts, this is going to make sure that your thighs are going to look even smaller and creates an illusion for you. So these are great options and they are widely popular, so you're going to find them everywhere right now. Number 3 and my favorite option, shorts with a flap. They're also known as SKORTs. Now why are they my favorite? Because not only they help me conceal my thighs, but they also act as a flap in front of my stomach, creating a more leaner look. They were also called divided skirts when I was younger, but I think their coming back is one of the greatest blessings for all the girls here. Again, these are a great options. They come in variety of fabrics. These are denims. You can get them in cotton, linen, and so many other options. So go ahead and choose the one that works the most for you. So these were few options जो आप easily पहन सकते हो if you're conscious about your thighs. But जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा था, there's nothing to feel conscious about. Just because it is a part of your body, it's better if you embrace it and start dressing up for it. And it's all right if it's making you conscious, but बस सही shorts पहनिए and you'll never ever feel conscious, and that's my promise. And as a practice, start telling yourself that you love your body the most, और जब भी conscious feel करो, यही repeat करो, and stop listening to what other people have to say. So start dressing up for yourself, and I will make sure कि in link के shorts or similar options are mentioned below. I really hope that you found this video useful and informational. If you did, make sure to give it a like and share it with all your friends so that they can use this information too. And if you really liked watching this video, then here is the next one that I am recommending you to watch. This is Ishita Saluja, your styling partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone. Yours is within you.